Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It is a purple gold sparkly halo eye. And if you want to see how it's done, then just keep on watching. See it right now. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I've already prepped myself with some foundation and I'm baking under the eyes. And I'm going to go in with my transition shade, which is Saddle by MAC, which is this color right here. And I'm going to take this color Saddle and I'm going to put it right in the crease for that transition shade. Taking a, let's see, Morphe M533 brush. Just a nice fluffy brush. And I'm going to stick it there in the crease. Just really lightly. Then taking a Morphe R34 brush, also a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this color here. I'm not sure what the color is. I think it's from Mud. It's a makeup school that's here in Burbank, but it's this nice purple color. And yeah, that school is very close to me and I'm able to go there and get a bunch of makeup because it's the school I went to, so I'm able to get some nice discounts and I just love it there. They have really nice makeup. All their eyeshadows are very pigmented. They have a nice little spot in the front where you can shop and get all kinds of makeup. It's right on San Fernando. The cross street is Angelino in Burbank. So I'm going in with this color here. It's a nice little purple and I'm just going to go kind of right in the area underneath that transition shade. Just make it a little purple. We're going to go all over. Oh, definitely. Just taking a blending brush, a clean blending brush, and going over those lines with an R35. Then taking this matte color in Parfait Amore, and it's, oh ouch, okay, there we go. And let's see if I can zoom in on that color there. It's kind of like a purpley blue, so a little darker than the warm tone purple that I put on. And so I'm going to put that on with the same brush, and I'm just going to, same purpley brush that I put the other purple color on. And I'm just going to really concentrate this on the outer corner and the inner corner. And going in again with a clean brush and just kind of blending out those edges. And I'm going to take a little bit of I'm taking a clean blending brush, an R40. I'm going to go right over everything and just kind of blend it out, soften everything up. Alright, and taking a flat concealer brush, I'm just going to go right in the middle. Give that halo eye. Going right here. I'm going to just blend this all out. No, you don't want it to go too far off. Alright, so there we go. And first I'm going to be taking this color in MAC called Goldmine. I will zoom in on this. That's it, Goldmine, right here. Such a pretty color. So I'm going to take that first on the lid. And taking a clean fluffy brush and again just blending it all out. Kind of flatter brush here, and I'm going to go into the bottom with the MAC Parfait Amore, that kind of darker purple. And then just taking another flat eyeliner brush, and I'm going in with Goldmine, that gold color. So this is just like a clear lip gloss, super glaze. You can use any lip gloss. And I'm going to put this right on my lid and right in that little gold spot underneath. So kind of... And it has a little bit of color, but it doesn't really matter. And I'm going to take a gold glitter. You can take any gold glitter. Any gold glitter. It doesn't even have to be gold. It can be any glitter. And the lip gloss acts as an adhesive and it sticks to the eye really well. So I'm just going to put a line, not a cat eye, just a nice line right across that lash line. I'm going to take a brush and just kind of smudge that out a little bit. So taking my red cherry lashes in number 605. Let me zoom into these because these are awesome. Yeah, they're really pretty. I like these. Alright, so I'm going to put on some mascara. So I want to curl my lashes. And going in with my Well People mascara. I'm going to wipe off this powder that I have under my eyes. Alright, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows a little bit with my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I'm taking my Laura Geller Baked Blush and Bright. Loving this. And then for my highlight, I'm taking a little bit of Laura Geller in the Gilded Honey. I'm loving this highlighter as well, with the Morphe brush in R36. And just gonna highlight. So I'm taking a lip liner. I'm going to take Spice from MAC, and I'm just going to line my lips. The color Trap by ColourPop, the liquid lipstick. Alright guys, that's it. That's the look, and I hope that you guys liked this video and it was easy to follow. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!